Hello everyone, and welcome to the Weekly Tech Minute. This first story is one I am super jazzed about. According to Hippopotamus, Atlanta is about to embark on its own type of space race thanks to a new program housed at Georgia Tech. I know! CDL Space, a focus area of Creative Destruction Lab, plans to launch 150 companies that create over $700 million in equity value by 2026. The program brings together astronauts, entrepreneurs, investors, and scientists from fields related to space exploration and transportation, satellite communications, Earth observation, automation, and robotics. CDL startups work with these mentors to sharpen objectives, prioritize time and resources, raise capital, build networks, and engage with experts working on the frontiers of research. To learn more, you can click the link below. Next, have you ever traveled somewhere and thought, man, I'd really like to have a place here, and I could totally afford it if I just went in with a few more friends? Well, this Triangle startup has launched the easy button for co-owning vacation homes. Plum, an online co-ownership platform currently raising a $1.5 million seed round, wants to make vacation home ownership available to tens of millions of Americans who couldn't otherwise get to it. You can read more via the link below. And thanks to Sarah Glova of WRAL TechWire for this piece. Finally, according to the Wall Street Journal's CIO journal, demand is soaring for CIOs for hire as companies race to fill tech leadership gaps. This demand for interim chief information officers is rising as companies feel the pressure to modernize their technology. To read more about how interim CIOs are affecting change quickly, filling specialized requirements, and skill gaps, click the link to read the full piece below. Thank you so much for watching week after week. There's so much to cover, and we're happy to distill it down for you. We look forward to seeing you next week.